Very earthly being. Oh yeah? Very earthly being. Oh yeah.
What is up, people of Earth? Welcome to the most earthly channel here on YouTube. You are watching Very Earthly Being, and if you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell also to get notified on our new videos to come. So, for today, maybe you've noticed this. In the last video, there was a green cartolina right here. I used it as a green screen material that we went to White House. Okay, so we can use it to go to the White House. Let's go. See that? There's the White House right there. And it's gone. As you can see, it's gone. It's because I ruined it. I need to put it away because it's broken. It's ruined. Okay, so if you're wondering why it's so dark in this place, it's because there's no electricity. Brown out ngayon, guys. So maybe naririnig nyo siya sa background. There's rain noises. So, ito po yung ilaw natin. Okay. Yan po yung ilaw. Ito po yung switch. So, I will open the switch. Nothing is happening. It's really hard to make a content without electricity. And the most important part, the hard part, is that I have no idea what to give you for today because there's no internet. Yes, because there's no electricity and there's no internet. Sorry kung medyo na distract kayo sa pimples ko na yan. Pero in the meantime, yan muna yung makikita nyo for this video. Yes, guys! Walang internet. There's no internet, and I was searching around here at the house for something to give you for today. I was about to do a nice and really great content, but the internet got interrupted because of the really heavy rain going out. So yes, I was searching around for stuff and things around this house, and I found this thing. I found this little thing that you can put and you can plug in your phones. It's like a little charger thing. It's like a USB thingy, and this, it's a port that you can insert USBs from. So if you put USB in here and then you will plug it in your phone, the contents and the files inside your USB will be read by the phone that you are holding right now. So I found out that this phone that I am holding right here has a special feature. Okay, so I got this mouse. I took the mouse out of my PC. So I wondered, what if I combine the mouse and that port and plug it in this phone? What would happen? So I tried it out, I tested out, and this is what happened. This is so cool, but I think this will work on updated and new models of phone, maybe from 2018 to 2020 models of phone. But yeah, without further ado, let's do it. I'm gonna show you what happened. So guys, this is a tutorial video. So yes, again, I'm going to explain it. We have the mouse right here, and dito po yung mouse. And then, the port that I was telling you earlier, na pwede nyo ilagay yung mga USB nyo here, and you can plug it in your phone. So, now, I am gonna teach you how to do it. So, first, you need your mouse, of course. This is the mouse. You need the USB port right here. Put it right here, in the port. And now, as you can see, Jollibee's yung nasa screen natin because ito try natin, i-testing natin. And tested naman siya, gumagana siya, guys. So, and now, ipa-plug na natin sa phone. Let's try. So, guys, gumagana siya, guys. Ito na po. Jollibee's mobile siya, guys. Okay, Jollibee's mobile. Gumagana siya, guys. Ito, may cursor na lalabas basta mahawakan mo yung mouse. And as you can see, umiilaw yung mouse. It's red, okay? So, now guys, ay titest natin kung talagang gumagana siya dito. So, story mode, of course. New game. So, Jollibee's mobile. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box kung how to download this app. So, guys, gumagana talaga siya. As you can see, mouse pa talaga yan. So, pwede nyo laruin with your fingers, pero sa akin, mas prefer ko kung mouse yung gagamitin nyo. Kasi, mas nakokontrol siya, guys. Pero, kung sanay talaga kayo sa inyong mga daliri na i-play tong game, so, talagang maayos naman siya. The game is nice. So, yes, gawa po ito ni IvanG. I don't know if Pinoy si IvanG. So, try natin lumingon dito. So, guys, as you can see, gumagana talaga siya, guys. 100%. And as you can see dito, ayan. So, gumagalaw siya ng maayos. And si sino ba yan? Si Popo ba yan? So, wala na siya, guys. So, gumagana siya, guys, 100%. I prefer kung gagamitin niyo to sa mga games niyo. Thank you very much. So, guys, as you've seen, that was pretty cool. It was really, really nice. It's comfortable if you used the mouse. If you're using a computer app in your mobile phone, it's really comfortable. And I'm going to show you again on how to use it on your device. Okay, so first, again, you need your mouse, and then the USB thing right here that's connected, of course, in the mouse. You need it to put in this thing. So if you don't have this thing, then it won't work in your device. So you need this thing, this port, this USB port right there. As you can see, you can put your USB and plug it in your phone. And then now you're gonna put it in, of course. Like, everything here is about plugging and stuff. So let's put it in and let's try. It's only working for Android, but I think there's still a thing of this kind with the port right here. It's a iOS thing type right here. So now you need to put it in your device. Put this in your device, plug it into the charger port of your device, and now it starts turning red. Okay, so there's, I don't know, I think you can't see it, of course, but there is a mouse cursor, phone, Android phone right now to film this, to shoot this, and it's working pretty well. I give it a thumbs up. If you want to download the Jollibee's mobile game, I'll put the link down below. I'll make a gameplay about that game. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Stick around next time to watch more of this kind of videos, this very earthly videos. Leave a like, comment down below if you have done it, and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell to get notified on upcoming uploads. Earthly number 1, bye! And after 3 hours of waiting, ilaw na.